Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, I hope y'all feeling blessed, man. It's currently like 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, I don't even know. But I barely got any sleep last night, man. I just arrived to Oklahoma. I'm at the big old KC where the Thunder from. I'm out here with family, for Christmas, and you know, it was nice to get out of my state. I ain't took a trip really in a whole year, bro. Last place I went was like Atlanta. But yeah. In today's video, I just want to talk about like something that I've been thinking about for a while, and you know, it's real. It's real, but like the price of porn, bro. Like when I say that, bro, the price of porn, the price you pay for porn, bro. Why do you think majority of pornography is free, bro? Pornography is a drug. Whether you want to admit it or not, it's an addicting substance. It's a drug. It's a mind-altering thing. It releases dopamine. And the price you pay for it is 9 times out of 10 is free, right? You can find anything. Now you can pay for extra stuff, but you know, 9 times out of 10 it's free. You don't gotta pay no money. You just go on the website, like it's free, bro. So, but the real price that you're paying, bro, it's free because you pay with your soul, bro. You may not be paying with physical cash, but you're paying with your soul, bro. And a good example of this is if y'all seen the video of me, like the videos leading up to the video I posted, like the video I said relapse, watch this. You could see how much my eyes changed, bro. You could see the look of lust. Like there was people in the comments saying it's crazy how much the eyes changed, how much the face changed, and I thought I was the only one that noticed that, man. But it's true. Like in that video, you could see like my eyes got low, and it was just like I kind of look high, but my eyes look dead, man. It was just more like, and I was trying to be happy in that video, cause I wasn't trying to let it get to me, bro. But like, I paid the price, bro. It's like the demon. There was like a demon that came over and possessed me, bro. You're paying with your soul, man. Like, why do you think when you orgasm or something, your body feels like it's leaving? Your soul feel like it's leaving its body. That's why they be like, girls be like, oh, I'm gonna suck your soul out. Y'all know what I mean, bro. But it goes deeper into that, bro, because like I said before, semen and sperm, bro, that can create a whole human being. Like, if you think about that, bro, that's deep energy, bro. That is deep energy. And that's why anytime you release that, you feel like shit, bro. If you're not releasing it for the purpose it was supposed to be released for, you're gonna feel like shit, especially to pornography, bro. If you really sit down and watch pornography, bro, and not get aroused by it, it's demonic, bro. It is very demonic, bro. And like, that's why we get into this trance when we do it. Like, oh, we're not gonna do it. We just gonna peek a little bit. When you peek, that opens up the gateway. It opens up your mind, bro. It's something that's very spiritual about that even like just imagine yourself at the production of the pornography, bro. Imagine all the evil shit going on. 9 times out of 10, the girls are coked up and the guys are doing things that the girls probably don't even really want done to them, bro. But it's for that money, bro. It's for that moolah. You feel me? And where we get the shit end of this, well, I want to say we get the shit end of the stick because the girls and the people who are producing that, the girls, like, deep down, they're hurting, bro. 9 times out of 10, they're either suicidal or they don't have support from their family, bro. But we're that energy that goes into that video, bro, we're taking that on, bro, and it's making our soul evil and nasty. Like, a lot of people say when they watch my videos, they feel good, bro. Like, when I watch self-improvement videos or when I watch videos of fishing or, you know, even listening to music, like Native American music, meditation music, bro, it calms us down, bro. What we consume really, like, that's why they be like, you are what you eat. And that's not just physically, bro. That's not just what you're physically eating, bro. It's what you're consuming. When you listen to this succulent music, bro, when you consume this NBA YoungBoy and stuff, you draining your energy, bro. But when you listen to, I know there's one song that y'all listen to that y'all probably won't play around your friends, but it's one song from probably like when you was a kid that gives you that nostalgia, that good feeling. Like mine is like like a G6, like a G6, like a G6, la 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 la. Like, you feel me? That's that good songs, bro. You feel me? It brings you back that nostalgic feeling. And when we were consuming that as a child, it felt good. You feel me? We like me that type of music. I would be in Miami with my family. Everything would be happy. And when I consumed that, it wasn't negative music. Maybe the song behind that is like negative or something. I don't know, but it gave me a positive feeling, or just like, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. You feel me? You feel me? And that gives you that good feeling. That's good energy music, bro. But when you listen to Shake Your Dread, it may feel good in the moment, but bro, you're consuming some shit that's not good, bro. It's negative. It goes with the music, the videos, the porn, bro, the food, fast food, bro. After you eat fast food, you feel like shit. You are what you eat, bro. So anytime after you watch porn, why do you think you feel like shit? Okay, if you masturbate without porn, you're still probably gonna feel some type of way, but not as bad if you watch pornography, bro. Because when you dive deep into that, bro, you're literally watching a whole crew of people behind the scenes that you don't even see recording people have sex, bro. That's weird, bro. And you're out here going like this to it, bro. That's the same equivalent of you being there while they're doing it. And that's why I said in the video, everybody who watches that has that cuck mindset, bro. Because what's the difference of you watching on the screen versus you in there in person? You feel me? And when I go to think about that, like damn, bro, I really did that, bro. Like, I was really doing that shit, bro. And I'm still struggling with it. You feel me? Because I relapsed in that video. But like, when you dive deep into that, bro, it's real. It's you're paying with your soul, bro. You are, bro. You're paying with your energy, bro. You're paying the price of the relationships around you. You're paying the price of how much money you make, bro. You're paying the price of so many things that you wouldn't even think you are, bro. Like, a lot of people lose a relationship with their significant other because of pornography, bro. Like, real, like me, I feel like the last relationship I was talking to, like, there was some sort of tie of why we started losing that spark, bro, because I was addicted to that, man. And I wasn't giving her the full thing. So when girls sense that, bro, you're gonna lose people around you. Like, I've lost relationships because of that, bro. You know, I've lost money because of that, because I would be staying home from work, not just watching porn, but like doing just, you feel me? I would start my day off by like doing that, and I would feel lazy, not go to work. You're paying the price of money, bro. If you're actually paying money to watch porn, you're paying the price of your finances that you worked hard for. To subscribe to OnlyFans and just things that you wouldn't even think you would be paying, bro. You're paying with your body, bro. You're paying with your energy, your vibe, your confidence. You're paying with all this stuff that you may not be paying with money or physical things in that aspect that you think, oh, it's not that bad, but you're paying with something more powerful, bro. Your soul. It goes so deep, man. It goes so deep. Like, somebody just commented on my YouTube video saying, they said, I wish I could have my fiance back, bro, because it ruined their life with their fiance or their kids, bro. Somebody was saying that they were married for 20 years, had this addiction for 25 years, bro. Their wife was going for, like, strong and stuff, like trying to help him out, but the addiction just overcame, bro. And his wife left him, took the kids, took the house, divorced him, got a new man, bro. And he paid with basically his whole life, bro. 25 years of his life, bro. I paid the price of 12 years of my life, bro. I don't want to pay any more time, any more years, bro. It's getting very draining, bro. And I don't want y'all doing it either. And if y'all younger than me, 15, 14, 13, even if y'all older than me, bro, I don't want y'all spending any more time on this, bro. And this needs to be spoke up more about, man. It's just so, it's frustrating, bro, because I know how addicting this shit is, bro. I know, bro. I know. Even looking at me, people think why am I watching this if I ain't get girls, bro? It don't matter about looks, bro. It's my mental, bro. Like 9 years old, bro. I conditioned my brain to think that's okay, man. And nobody told me it was bad, bro. I had to find out that myself. Everyone around me, middle school, high school, hey, it's okay to do that. Oh, who's your favorite porn star? Mia Khalifa and stuff like that, bro. So I didn't realize this shit was bad for me, bro. And I paid so much time, so much energy, wasted all this, bro. But I'm not gonna let it defeat me, man. Because if I didn't go through that, bro, I would have never made this YouTube channel. I wouldn't be talking to y'all and helping y'all out. Because if y'all never met me, y'all could still be wanting to do this, man. And it will mess your life up like it messed my life up. It didn't completely mess my life up to the point where it messed other people's lives up. But I paid some price, bro. Deep, because we think it's just something to relieve our stress, man. But like, watch in a couple days, bro. Watch my eyes. Watch how they start glowing again, bro. Because I'm in them videos that I was recording them 2 weeks leading up to this, bro. My eyes was glowing. Go back and watch the videos. You're going to see, bro. My eyes was glowing, bro. And like I said, with the look of lust, you wear lust, bro. People can look in your eyes and see that you're lustful, bro. Or you just got bad energy, or you just feel guilt and shame, man. And that in turn lowers your confidence, lowers your self-esteem, bro. People don't want to be around you, bro. People gonna think you creepy. They get that creepy vibe, bro. Like me, I know, you feel me? I'm handsome and all that, but confidently, probably not, bro. Because after I would watch them videos and go out in public, I would feel so much shame. And I believe people can sense that on you, bro. They really can. And this not talked about enough, bro. And there's a YouTube channel by the name of Fight the New Drug, and there's a whole bunch of people like explaining their pornography addiction. Really, I would like to be on there and introduce myself and tell my story on there so I reach a larger audience. But like, it's really crazy how like this is a new drug, bro. This is a new drug, and it's captivating the minds of kids, bro. It's captivating the minds of innocent people, bro. And we don't think it's a drug like going to get some crack. I don't want to say it on YouTube, bro. You have to go out and get that and spend money on that, bro, to get that high. Porn, you don't, bro. Anybody can see it, bro. And it's everywhere, bro. It is everywhere, man. You can't escape it, bro. You can limit it, but you can't escape it. Like I said, I was at the gym and that shit was playing, bro. When I was on TikTok, it just plays, bro. When I'm on Facebook, it's softcore, bro. And it's getting these kids in this mindset, bro. And it messed me up, bro. It messed me up. Back then, it messed me up, bro. Now these kids are seeing things that I wouldn't even imagine would be available back then when I started watching it, bro. Like, and it's crazy, bro, because we're gonna have little kids like not knowing anything else but that, bro. And with the new AI and the sex dolls coming out, bro, it's gonna take their souls to the like the hellhounds, bro. Fetch me their souls. Like, that's what that pornography what's the word? Pornography companies do, bro. That industry is meant to take your soul, bro. And we're falling victim to it, and we're just so blind to it and think it's okay. And it's not just the pornography industry, it's the music industry, it's the big corporation industry, bro. They don't want us to reach our full potential, bro. It's crazy, bro. And people are so blind to it. Like, when I speak on here about porn, oh, it's not that bad, you tripping, bro, because you're lost, bro. You are lost, man. You're lost in the you're hypnotized, bro. You are a certified gooner, my boy. You are a certified gooner, bro. Whether you like it or not, bro, you are, bro. Even with the music, y'all listen to NBA Youngboy, and you feel me? I still listen to Dirk. I ain't gonna say I'm perfect, but I don't listen to like the music talking about killing really like that, bro. I listen to like it's a pain song. You feel me? Stuff like that. But even with music like that, bro, the media that we're consuming really shows on us, bro. Like, and I know it's so hard to quit everything like that, bro, because that's all free. Like, the secular music, the pornography videos, bro. I could quit drugs easily because I don't do drugs, bro. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't take pills, bro. I'm prescribed Adderall. I don't even take that, bro, because that's borderline MEF. You feel me? METH. I don't want to say it on YouTube, but yeah, bro, I don't even take that, bro, because I've never been the type to really like drugs like that. But like I said, when I felt down, that's the drug that I ran to, bro. And masturbation is bad as well, but I don't think it's just masturbation, bro. It's just the porn, because if I can, why don't I choose to do it without watching porn, bro? Because porn is so addicting, because you can see anything you want, and when you try and do something with a real girl, it's not gonna feel the same, bro. And people are like, get a Blue Chew, get a honey pack, bro. I'm 21, bro. I should not be having these problems, bro. And it's not so much physical, it's mental, bro. It's mental. Viagra probably won't even work, bro. And it's on some stuff where people were so normalized to quick to use a substance, bro. Oh, go get a bottle of Henny and you'll be fine, bro. See, that's the thing. That's where everyone's messed up. We want to go find an external source instead of fixing what's inside of us, bro. Fixing our mental, bro. Fixing our soul, rebuilding our soul, man. But yeah, I just want to hop on here and do a little event of the price that you're paying with porn, bro. You're paying with your soul. And you're going to keep paying the price until eventually you go broke. And once you go broke with your soul, there's no coming back from that, bro. So, with that being said, man, I love y'all. I'm going to be consistent with these videos, for real. I'm going to be dropping every day, man. I'm going to be dropping every day. And then I want to get, like, on a schedule for the new year. Like, I want to do, like, drops maybe every 2 days, or if y'all want every day, let me know, bro. If you made it this far in the video, which I hope most of y'all did, drop in the comments below what would be the ideal thing that y'all want. Do y'all want everyday videos? Do you want every other day videos? Do you want Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos? Just let me know, y'all. And the time that I drop, I want to start dropping like early, like 12, but I like dropping at like 3 or 6 or something, because people are home from school and stuff like that. But if y'all want to let me know a good time to so y'all have a schedule, so I have structure, like, okay, Meech gonna drop at this time on this day. Let me know in the comments below, man, because I really wanna know when y'all would be most tuned in and things like that. With that being said, man, stay motivated, stay disciplined, stay blessed, and stay consistent, man. I will catch you on the next video, man. Gang!